How to stop COVID-19 from spread? Number 1. Turn your yard if you not have to go a road. Keep at least 6 foot distance from other people, all if they no look sick. Follow the rule them what the government put out to deal with COVID-19. Number 2. Wash your hand them with soap and water for at least 30 seconds. Wash your hand them before you eat and before you look after food. Wash your hand them after you sneeze, cough, blow your nose, and after you come back from off of the road. If you can't wash your hand with soap and water, use hand sanitizer with having at least 70% alcohol. Number 3. Wear one mask to cover your mouth and your nose. That way there, if you have the virus, you not spread it to nobody else. On top of that, it can help block the little drop them will come out when somebody were there near you, cough or sneeze. Number 4. Change or wash the mask regular and wash or sanitize your hand every time you touch it. Number 5. Remember to not touch your eye, nose or mouth because that's how people give themselves the virus. Coronavirus can turn enough there upon the place and the things them where you touch. That means say you can't catch it if you touch something or somewhere depend and then touch your eye, mouth or nose. Number 6. Use at least 70% alcohol or thin out some bleach in the water to clean your key them, tabletop, door angle, remote and light switch. Number 7. When time you cough or sneeze, bend your elbow and use it cover your mouth or nose or use piece of tissue paper and dash it with said time. Corona mostly spread when the little drop them will come out and somebody will have it cough or sneeze in a some way. Protect yourself from the virus.